the yards! Hold fast! Secure the mizzen sail!
The age of the dreadnought gave way to a new kind of warship. This massive carrier, seen here in 19... What began as a routine survey dive quickly turned into the discovery of the century. The hull of this carrier tells a story of relentless exposure. The saltwater has created a tapestry of rust and marine growth.
Secure that line now.
It's almost clear.
Watch the swing, coming around.
Con sonar.
As we descend, the sunlight begins to fade, giving way to the crushing darkness of the deep sea.
The ROV, our eyes in the abyss, descends past the photic zone. Here, in the crushing dark...
The sheer scale of the sunken vessel is breathtaking, a monument of steel slowly reclaimed by the deep ocean.
These heavy-duty cables are essential for stabilizing the massive hull during the deep-water recovery operation.
The airbags slowly inflate, demonstrating the immense force required to displace the surrounding water. The salvage operation begins. Decades underwater, the massive carrier is finally being reclaimed from the deep.
From the perpetual night of the deep ocean, we slowly ascend towards the sunlit waters above.
Lower the main cradle slowly. Confirm beams are seated correctly.
Here in the vastness of the dry dock, the true scale of the carrier becomes apparent. A testament to modern engineering.
Cruising slowly past the immense hull, the sheer scale of the carrier dominates the calm harbor, a true behemoth of the sea.
Bagdians. Once a symbol of naval power, this magnificent vessel has undergone a meticulous restoration.
Once a titan of the seas, she now rests, a symbol of the enduring strength of the fleet.